What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review one of the important historical docodrama, and especially the significance is very important because most of the time you have heard all those legendary people, those who have done about independence and all those. But there are some people, those who have made their place in the history of other cultures also and represented the community at the greater audience. That happened with Radha Vinod Pal, the Justice Radha Vinod Pal. Tokyo Trial is a small series and especially very well played by Irfan Khan. And before moving on with all this, there are things that I want to show it why it has its significance. The Japanese in 1966 or something, like their royal houses, all this, they gave him the highest civilian award. And another thing also they did it, they made the roads, and there are a couple of shrines, his statues are there, and also his references are used in the law books as well as in the books in Japan. What happens after Nuremberg trial? There comes 11 allied judges, and they were they were the jury in the trial of the Japanese people. So European Union, they had their own, Russian, they were there also, Chinese, they were there. So all were there with their own agenda, because they wanted to settle their own score, they wanted to keep themselves also positive, and they are keeping these people on trial where there was rule of their own. So what happens is, now from the Asia, Justice Radha Vinod Pal has been invited. After thorough study, all the European Russians, they were busy in their strategies and whatever they are going. So there was so much immense drama that was going on. Things were growing up on the British things and all that block, and they were there busy in all the things. And whereas Radha Vinod Pal was studying all the things, and he found out that why we are taking these people here, because if you do something like this, that's justified because you did it for the prestige of your country, your people, or your allies. But if they did it, you wanted to keep them on this whole. You wanted to show to the world that what we have done with them. Why? Because they have done in their capacity according to the rule of the law that is set by them. Because in any field, if you are there, you are following the orders. So whatever the situation comes, if you are in the battlefield, you have to make the decisions. And now if you make any decisions, you are not being accountable. But if somebody is doing the same thing, has to be accountable. That was a very big rift between all these things, and suddenly the things get messed up once their trial has come to a final date. Lengthy, messy years, months, and after that they come to. So all the jury members, they found them guilty, whereas Radha Vinod Pal said not guilty. Immense pressure on him. Why you are doing this right here? We just wanted the result of our own choice. We don't want to hear you, because at that time also you could see that there is always a discrimination, that why we are having this guy is here because the other people are from our European era and we are this. But overall you will really be feel how the good the story is, how the document drama is. Apologize for the motorbikers that are passing by. So overall you will really like this, and especially Irfan Khan, his superb acting, may his soul rest in peace. And you will really have to know all those people, those who are swept away somewhere else, and their hate story or their contribution to the society is not being shown. And you can see that in Japan he is very revered personality. His statues are there in 2 shrines. And IL Civilian Award, Kuku, that is, I don't know how can pronounce it, I don't know, it is also given to him. And in the reference books of the law at that time until now, they are there. Why? Because if you are doing for your honor and glory, They did it in their glory, honor and glory, and especially the orders they were following. Whatever it was, it, you cannot go alone in the battlefield without the decisions of others. So victory is history is written with the people who those who are victorious, not who are victim. I hope you really like this. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. If you have any historical docudrama and you really need to, instead of reading book, if you really like this kind of documentaries or history, kindly recommend me. Thank you so much and have a great week. Bye bye.